Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 11th, 2021. I wanted to come in today and talk about XPong. I haven't talked about XPong in a while. It's been like September the 27th since I did a price prediction in XPong. You guys can see it. Look at the chart. It didn't go right. We were playing the weakness in XPong and the market actually held support right there around $35, and price has been going up since then. So let me come in, show you all what my expectations are now in XPong. Are we expecting a trend reversal? Can we see the market go down now, seeing that the price in XPong has been going up since our last price prediction? So welcome. This is HFN, also known as HFN News. We're not going to confuse you, so you can relax. We're not going to talk about technical indicators. We're not going to talk about exponential moving average, RSI, MACDs, Bollinger Bands, none of that Fibonacci retracement stuff. No, we're just going to sit and look at price and volume and see where the market's going to go. So keep it locked in here if you all find that very interesting and simple. I'm not going to confuse you. You can relax. Check this out. So we didn't get our last price prediction correct in XPong, which is cool, but we already knew that at some point when we look for a price to go a certain direction and it doesn't, we know where we need to cut it, right? So check this out. We was following XPong going down in the market since July, right? We was making lower highs into the market in XPong, but right there, October the 14th, October the 13th, we broke the trend. So that was our indication to say, cut it. The market has broken its movement to the downside. Cut it. It was telling us that then. But so many people fall under that wish and hope and say, maybe it's a fluke. Maybe it's not real. Maybe the market's not even going up. Maybe it just might be me being blinded by what these price charts are showing. I'm going to keep the play on. I'm not going to get rid of it just yet, right? So rather than you being down, once the market broke that trend, 12.25%, we will be down right now, 25, half increase, right? Listen to the price, listen to the chart, and it will save you from excruciating pain of losses. Nobody is expecting you to get these price predictions right 100% of the time. And we're going to show you every price prediction. We're not going to hide our plays like so many other YouTubers are doing once a play go against them. They try to hide it. They only want to show you the good plays. They don't ever want to come in and show you the bad plays, which is a disservice to you all too. Let me show you why I didn't get this right. And this is what we do here on this channel so that you all can learn and get better and better at this. It's not hard. It's not complicated. Yeah, we missed this one, but let's get back in position, shake it off, and let's beat the trap at its own game. So let's do that, right? So now check this out. Okay, cool. Price in XPong has been going up. Can we see a trend reversal? Meaning, can we see price start to go down now? Well, take a look at this, right? Look at all of these trading days right here. Look at how collective and compact it is, and look at price being unsuccessful at trading above $50. Wow, that's a lot of information right there alone. Because if the market in XPong truly was going to continue in its upward trend, all of these trading days, at least one of them, price should have broken above $50, but we didn't do it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to follow that restriction. And what do you know? Look back here in the background of this chart. The price in XPong has saw a couple of trading days to where it tried to break above $50, but it wasn't even successful then. Thank you. We can rely on the information that's already on price charts. That is why price in XPong could not break above 50, because we already had issues back here in February, beginning of this year. Thank you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up here. It's a little bit closer to where restriction is. Okay. Now, that's the first thing for us to notice, that we might be in a different trend reversal, meaning instead of price going up, we might start to see the price go down. We appreciate the information. I mean, it's simple once you actually read what is on the chart. Let's look at the market in XPong on the 3 weeks, right? And I really wanted to show you all this because when you look at these 3 weekly price bars, this one and then this one, the volume on this 3-week price bar, which started on October the 4th, the volume is lighter, but the spread is wider, versus this current 3-week price bar to where the volume is heavier and the spread is smaller. What is going on? People are selling XPeng right now in this 3-weekly price bar. That is what's going on. Yes, it is. People are selling, which is not necessarily a bad thing or a negative thing. It's just simply letting us know what the process is in XPeng while we're seeing it trade above $45 to like $50. That is the process. Look at this on a 3 weeks time frame. I mean, a 3-day time frame. Look at this one. So yeah, we're seeing some weakness into the market in XPeng, but I want to keep it real. Let's not be massively bearish or weak. I'm not telling you all that. I'm just simply saying that there's selling going on in the market in XPeng, which you need to identify those type of events, because we want to garner. Okay, cool. If the market is selling, how low do you think the price is going to go? The first spot is already pretty much established into the market in XPeng, and it's right here around $42.60. That's the first spot that we need to see the buyers step in and take the sellers out the way. $42.60. Now the biggest area that I'm seeing is down here. It's also a pretty good area of support into the market in XPeng. Okay, so we got $42 and like 60 cents, 50 cents. Second area that we can see price fall in XPeng. It's going to be around like $37.75. So we have $42.50 or 60. That's first. Second area is 40. Third area is 37.50. Those are the 3 areas that I'm looking for price to go in XPeng. Okay. So let me go ahead and give you all the prediction right now, because the market is telling us that we had issues around $50, right? And as long as that's the case, we're going to play the weakness into the market in XPeng. Now, first area for us to grab the bag is right there at $42.50, right? That's the first area. We need to come in, take that 4% out the market, because that's the first location and we can see the market proper price and start to go back up. Second area is 40. That's 9.84%. Third area for us to grab the bag is 37.50. Okay. So now let me switch this back over to the daily time frame so we can watch this from a daily perspective. You guys all know what my 3 price areas, 3 price targets are into the market in XPeng. The sooner that we grab support though, the sooner that we're going to come back up and test this $50 price. And then eventually, if we maintain it, we'll break $50 to the upside. But if we continue to see price fall below 42.50, come down to 40, come down to 37.50, and the market then tries to go up, it's going to take us longer before we actually see the market break that $50 price, right? So I'm just giving you all the play. So as we see this market in XPeng trade for the rest of this month, keep that in mind. So I'm done. Now, it's your turn. You guys can see that we got earnings coming up as well. Wouldn't be surprised to see the market try to act on that. They love using those type of events to try to play on volatility, and that's the only reason why they show it and they tell people about it, is because they want to move the market. So this is it. This is our updated price prediction into the market in XPeng. I want you all to tell me now, what is your price prediction for this particular stock? Let me know. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.